everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Geraldi, and I make videos all about slip of life, organization, and lifestyle videos. If that's your type of gem, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldi Silva. Today we are tackling my skincare drawer. I have this little linen closet right next to my bathroom, and I don't like this whole setup that I have for my skincare, so I wanted to organize it. I was gonna head over to Marshall's, which is literally just across the street from where I live. I'm gonna head over to Marshall's, and I want to try to find some sort of organization when it comes to this drawer, because everything in here I basically use, or just attempting to use, is just, it's a mess, and I want to organize it because I love organized things. I'm also going to clean up the apartment today because the apartment's a mess, but right now we're just going to tackle this, and then we're gonna head over to Marshall's first to see what we can find for organization, come back, put this all into use, and then yeah. The problem is that the thing is really far back, so it's kind of hard to have things that I use daily in the back, but I also don't want to neglect the things that I have in the back. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll figure it out as I go. Either it's having a little two-step thing, two-tier what's it called, little shelf thing, or I don't know. I'll see what I can find. So we're gonna head over. You guys are gonna come with me, and we're gonna figure this out together. I was gonna go walking, but then I realized if I got a lot of stuff, it'd be easier to take my car, but it's literally a 5-minute walk from where I live, so I'm gonna drive there. Let's go.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last.
For the apartment, we're looking for an entryway table. This one looks pretty good, but I'm looking for a wood and a black. It's the color scheme we're kind of going for. I like this one. It's cracked. This would be perfect. Dang, that sucks. I'm also looking for little baskets to put the toys in for the kids. They just have them everywhere. I want a cute little basket for them. This looks cute. They'll break it so easily. $50. This one's $30. The little small one is $30. This one has a lot of trains and whatnot. I want to find something that they could the trains inside. This is actually really cute. Look at all of these. Let me put in the basket and I'm gonna think about it. For the trains. It's for the skincare, but I'm just finding a lot of good stuff for the apartment in general. I like this one, $16. This is really big. Maybe I could put all the trains in here. I just don't know if I like one big one or two little ones of those. And it's going to be in the closet too, the linen closet. I like this a lot though, because it stands. And it's lifted. And it's made out of wood. I don't know, I really like both of them. There's a lot of little baskets that I may be able to use. The skincare closet. That's cute. And in this section where it's a bunch of baskets and stuff. I'm not quite sure exactly what it is that I'm looking for. There's this, but it's not gonna work. This might work because I'm able to put stuff on top. Put this stuff on each side. So I can put my skincare stuff inside, and I'm able to transport it. So this might work. I'll put this inside. This, but I don't think this will work. Why is this the same price as that? See that? It's the same price. $12.99. $12.99. That's not good. It's also a spin thing, which I don't really like. It's like pantry. Same price. Also this. $12.99, but there's not really much to put inside. Two storages. $12.99. You can get two. Okay, I think that might work for some of the stuff. We'll see. So I got an idea. Oops, found these two little storage things. So I was thinking I could do skincare and hair care, and then like any tools that I have off to the side. So I'm gonna try that out. I don't know if I really want to take these baskets. They're really cute, but they're really expensive, $30 each, and feels like something they're gonna break. So I'm not gonna take this, but I am gonna take that. Okay, let's go. So I have everything set up on the floor. This is what I bought at Marshall's. It's like this little plastic storage bin. It was $12.99 each. So I'm taking the plastic off of it, and I'm gonna test it out to see how well it goes for me. I don't have a lot of products, which is good, but I just want it to be a little bit more, what's it called? What's the word? Organized in a sense. So again, one of them's gonna be for hair products and the other one's for skincare. So I'm gonna take this plastic off and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Okay, so it comes with a little like divider in each one. There's like plastic in there. So each one comes with like a little divider, and you can put it in there and whatnot. And I'm guessing there was supposed to be another one, but it didn't come with it, or whatever. There's like 3 little sections, or I guess you can divide it. I guess it comes with one and you can divide it however you want. Actually, that would never work. Yeah, I guess there's supposed to be a longer one. Who knows what happens to it? Doesn't matter. No, I'm not gonna use this. So I'm gonna put my skincare stuff in this one. So it's gonna be just laying down like that, which I don't mind it laying down. That's all the skincare products I have. Probably just this last one. Okay, get on it. Well, I'm not gonna take off the sticker. I'm gonna see how well this goes first. So here's package number 1. Number 2. Let me undo this and I'll be back. So I took off the plastic. I'm gonna take off this little plastic thing, which I don't want. And I'm gonna insert all my hair care stuff. So I'm just gonna have to go a long way because everything here is longer. So it might just be, oh, that's not gonna fit. Okay, long way it is. Products are in, I'm going to put my hairbrush and this little thing too. Awesome. Now the last little thing, I almost forgot that. I'm gonna put that in here. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna put it up there and see how it looks now. That's how it looks like on the inside. I don't know if I like it that way or going the opposite way, meaning going like this. I think I might stick with that just so I could be able to put stuff on this side. But I should probably flip it because it's taking away space from right here. Let me flip it. Yeah, it's the same amount. So, and I like the aesthetic of it going the opposite way. But with that being said, this looks way better. Oh no, there's a crack in it. How the heck did I crack it already? Uh-oh, I might have to return it. There's a crack in my thing. Okay. But for now, this works. This is perfect. Let me just put the rest of the stuff in there. I just pulled it a little bit forward, but as of right now, this is how it's looking like. I like it a lot. It's gonna be easier to transport things. So that's pretty much it. you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Jolie Silva. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Mwah.